Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a camera. Who the hell are you?
Hi!
Here, take a seat on my talk show.
Alright.
We have my friend Jonathan Wade here.
I am a commercial and editorial portrait photographer based out of Atlanta. I like to shoot on a thing called film. My RZ67, it shoots medium format. Yeah, my Canon R6, which is great. Great for photography.
Right. And also I need to get some tests with the LUMIX S5. And we have the 24-70 2.8.
That's a honker.
We're gonna try some street photos, I think.
Are you strong enough?
I don't think I am.
Too slow.
And my goal is to hang with him and have him teach me some stuff and steal his knowledge because I wanna get better at photography.
I'll give it freely.
All right, everybody, we're gonna jump into your living room. Ready, set, go! Hey guys, here's my really sexy friend Jay Wade. It's me. Dude, this is a wild setup here. Yeah. That is crazy.
Wheelchairs are expensive now.
Gotta adjust my shutter speeds. 70 mil on this looks really cool. Let me get one more. Got it. Paparazzi! One lonely vehicle in the distance. Art.
So when you're taking street photos, concentrate on all things like composition and lighting, color. You don't have to get them all in the same frame.
This is why you should all subscribe to his channel. Unsubscribe to mine and go to his. I don't know anything except Scooty Gang 2021. Yes.
What is your Instagram?
It's Zachariah Mayfield. It's kind of long.
I'm just gonna let you speak.
That's the best way to do it. So.
I don't know shit about it, but I love doing like photo shoots, so that's what I do.
Dude, sick.
I'm an online nutrition coach, so that's what I do.
That's awesome. Am I good yet? Got it. Have a good one, gentlemen.
Hey, do something positive to take pictures.
Absolutely. I won't be negative. Wow. So check this out right now. We're filming on the LUMIX S5, and then this other camera, Insta360, is filming me. It's pretty insane. I'm testing the IBIS while walking with the S5, because I only have the S5 for a limited amount of time. And Jonathan's filming me on medium format. No, it's
medium format.
Yeah, it's medium format.
Amazing.
But now we're gonna test the video stuff. We're gonna get some video footages. And I just found out that in 4K 60, there's a huge crop to APS-C. Panasonic, what are you doing? The photos I probably just showed were from earlier. Thank you for that lighting.
That's perfect.
Striking.
Jonathan is gonna give me his incredible photography skills. We're finally gonna rebrand the freaking Kinotika channel. It looks like ass cheeks. Hate this profile picture. Literally don't use that font. I don't even know what it is. Hate this, made it temporarily when I got the job. Jonathan's gonna get me a new banner and a new prof pic. Jonathan, what's this? What are these inspiration photos we found?
From my friend Michelle Watts.
Look at these. Really like this one. There's no chance I'm gonna look that good, but we're gonna try. Hey, it's me. I have big glasses and a haircut. Wish I would've had that for the photo shoot, but whatever. I just want to say a huge thank you to all my patrons that support my channel. You guys mean the world to me, and everybody who's subscribed to my personal channel and my gear review channel, Kinotika. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I think we need more love in this world. So if you want to support or anything, I have merch available for Sony Sims, Cranonites, and Fuji Juicers, and I'm probably working on some more stuff. But either way, I just appreciate you watching, and if you made it this long in the video, then you're freaking great, and I love you very much, and I shall see you soon.